Hey, this is Max, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this paring knife. This is Stockman Original. If you're new to this channel, welcome to the tribe. We would love it if you would hit the like button and check out some of our other videos and subscribe if you like what you see. On this channel, we are all about showing you the lost arts and the forgotten crafts. And it's usually Brian who is imparting his knowledge to you and to me, but on this video, it's me showing you how to make this knife, which is from a knife kit from crazycrow.com. I'm going to put the link in the description so you can get it if you want, or one of their other knives. It comes with everything you need: the tang, the 2 scales, a brass rod. The scales are probably all right, but I'm going to use a cherry burl instead because it'll look cooler. The tang is made in the USA, which is nice. Of course, I could use, say, a moose antler or deer antler, and those would make good scales as well. But I'm going to use the cherry burl. So anyway, let's get on with the video. I think I'll just let it play out and you can watch it, and everything is probably self-explanatory. I might jump in here once in a while just to explain something to you. But other than that, I'll just let you watch and enjoy. Of course, no Stockman Original video is entirely complete without the obligatory Benjamin shot. Not to be outdone, this is Princess Athena. Wait, what happened? Oh, there it is. Where's my drink? Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. For Stockman Original, this is Max Ledoux.